This is the third and final video in my video series, How to Pack for a Trip, and it's actually about unpacking when you get home. So here we go. First, before you even go, make coming back from a trip a little easier for yourself. Whether you're coming back from a holiday, you've been on a business trip, you've been visiting or whatever, chances are you're going to come home to a load of stuff that needs doing. Even in this age of the smartphone, when we're never off and we deal with email, social media, etc. on the move, there will still be jobs you either couldn't deal with when you were away or you decided to leave until you got back. And you need to unpack and probably do laundry. And you're probably going to be tired from travelling, possibly from partying, and maybe with jet lag. If at all possible, schedule a full day for catching up with yourself, even if this means making your trip a day shorter. When you're planning a holiday, this seems like a terrible idea, but believe me, when you get back, you will be so glad of that time. Leave a few meals in the freezer so you don't have to get to the shops right away or think about what to eat or cook a meal. Leave the house or flat clean so you've got a little breathing space before you need to clean it again. I live in a 2-story house, and when I get back from a trip, I usually open my case downstairs first and do my best to pull out anything that belongs on the lower floor before I haul the case up the stairs. I rarely get it all, but it reduces the weight of the case and it reduces the amount of stuff I have to carry back down after I've unpacked. Then I haul the case upstairs to do the main unpacking, since most of the stuff in it belongs in my bedroom or the bathroom. Unless you've been able to do laundry while you're away, the contents of your case is probably mostly laundry. So either unpack in the room that has your laundry bin in it, or bring the bin in through to where you're unpacking. As with packing your case, I don't recommend you put the case on the bed. Not only will those wheels have wheeled over all sorts of dirty floors, you do not want to risk transferring bed bugs. I'm unpacking in my bedroom by the laundry bin. I take each thing out of the case and either dump it in the laundry bin or put it in one of 2 piles, stuff that I'm going to put away elsewhere in the bedroom and stuff that belongs in other rooms in my house. Then I put the rest of the stuff in the bedroom away, and then I put away the stuff from the other rooms. If you do it this way, you'll save yourself time because you won't be continually coming and going upstairs and down, in and out of rooms. Plus, you're less likely to get distracted by other stuff to do and end up leaving the unpacking half finished. Finally, do a couple of organisational tasks. First, schedule any jobs that came out of your case, like maybe you borrowed something to take and you need to return it, or maybe something got broken while you were away and you need to mend it or replace it. Decide now when you're going to do those tasks and put them in your diary or calendar. Second, update your packing master list by adding anything you wish you'd taken or that you added specifically for this trip and was so useful you'd like to remember to take it on future trips. There you go, how to unpack like a pro. Now get to planning your next holiday. But before you do that, share your unpacking tips in the comments below, subscribe to this channel, like this video and share it, it means a lot. Thanks so much.